Alright, let's get it. So, we are at all-time highs. What does that mean? Usually, you wouldn't want to take any shorts unless it's very obvious. Okay. So we are now in this 4 hour right here. Could be reversing. Price for me to tell me that. We have equal lows, I think. Yeah, equal lows down there. And then, yeah, and then 1 hour, we're bearish. So I don't want to take a long here because we're bearish on the 1 hour. Even though on the higher time frame we are bullish, but since I'm an intraday trader, why would I take a long whenever we're bearish on the 1 hour? You know, if I was like a swing trader, then okay, I would take a long on the 1 hour. So the best thing to wait for is whenever the 1 hour aligns with the daily, and the forward, like everything aligned with the daily. That's why the daily is important in some sense. So that doesn't mean I need to take a long or a short at the moment. I just want to wait until something sets itself up. I don't want to look at the 1 minute because I don't see anything. I don't see anything worthy of taking right now. I just want to wait. So we have this 15 minute right here. I could definitely see price. So we swept this high, broke this low, broke this gap, came back into this. This wouldn't be a bad trade. So we are now in a sell model on the 1 minute, and yeah, we had a big displacement. So yeah, I don't think this is a bad trade if this breaks. Tap into the high. Let's see if this. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Stop above this high. Lows down here. Yeah, it's a good trade. Whoa, okay. Just got demolished there. Still a good trade at the end of the day. And now we are having horrible action. Swept this high and then displaced down. I'm assuming there's news or something. I don't know. Okay, now we swept these lows. I'm gonna go back to the 5 minutes. The higher time frame should only be used for bias. We're still bearish until, if this gets inverse this 1 hour, then my bias will be flipped. But right now we are still bearish. Okay, this 5 minute broke again. Yeah, like right here I don't want to trade anything because we're just disrespecting all sorts of gaps. We're having this weird accumulation where I assume there's news today. So this show. it's probably gonna start moving during PM session. So this I don't even want to trade unless this 15-minute gets tapped into or something. We just created these highs. Right here, this 5-minute broke. It's 12, so I don't even want to take this. Yeah, horrible price action right here. This is something no one wants to trade at all. And the longs wouldn't have been bad, but like right here. But at the same time, yeah, there was equal highs here, so this wouldn't have been bad. But nothing displaced up, so that would have been like a gamble. I took these. Anyways, go to. Alright, it's 2 p.m. now. We're in this 15-minute. We filled in this whole 4-hour. Let's see how this gets respected. This 1 hour. We could keep going down to these equal lows. I don't think that's I think this is gonna get inversed, but like I said, I don't need to predict anything. I just need to react for what happens. It's 15 got respected. And let's see what happens here. Okay. So actually wouldn't have been a bad long. Rookie should have taken this. Cause we're in a buy model right now. In a lower time frame. See if I get another opportunity. Whoa, okay. Alright, let's go to the next day open. Only taking trades that I would actually take. So, okay, we broke this 4-hour. Now I'm expecting this to be the draw. Definitely want to see this get filled because that's a strong draw. So this right here. Plus we're bullish on the 1 hour. On the lower time frames we're in a buy model. Yeah, let's see if we can get like something. We enter this 15-minute. If we can disrespect this 5-minute, then alright, yeah. We're definitely gonna be looking for longs here. Let's see if we can get anything. Alright, let's see if this gets. Oh, we disrespected this 5-minute. Yeah, I don't want to take that. Yeah, no, that does not look good, bro. And plus we're respecting this 15 minutes too. Even though we are bullish, I don't want to take that right here. Just because I know price could retrace lower before it heads up higher. Because there's still all these gaps to fill in. We have to see when it wants to. Alright. this 15 and 30-minute gap. I want to see when price displaces higher than. Okay, we disrespected the 15-minute. So yeah, I expect price to retrace to like equilibrium. But yeah, let's see. This would not be a bad short right here. Since price disrespected this 15-minute, I assume we're at least gonna go right here. And then, yeah, this is definitely not a bad short. Let's see. If this gets disrespected, then I'm taking. Bro, price is moving so just keeps on disrespecting. Yeah. I'm gonna take this, move stop to break even right here. I didn't want the 5-minute to be disrespected, but then I'm gonna do 70% here. Bro, what type of, like, what the, yo, okay. Did not know there was news right there. Why is it not, bro, why is the news not shown? How do I make the news show? Oh, it is, what, okay. Alright, so the bias, I guess that's why you need to stick with the bias. That's why the bias matters, cause, or not even the bias, that was like a draw. It's just a strong draw right here. Okay, let's see what would have happened if I. Yeah, there was really nothing I can enter on. I don't want to trade PM, bro. I'm just going to next day. Alright, we're bearish. Filled in this, then we came lower. I want to see if price wants to tap into here. We tap into this one daily gap. I still don't want to take any longs until price tells me that it wants to go higher. But as of right now, we're bearish on the bias. We have in this 15-minute. Let's check these highs. We have these highs up here. I think this is gonna be a strong draw because not only we have these equal highs up here, but we have this gap. What is a 15-minute gap? Oh, it's a 4-hour. I'm sure. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a strong draw, but we are also bearish for the bias, so let's just see what price tells us. So we broke the feeling this, we're still in this 15-minute. I don't really like any trades right now. Broke this 15-minute. So this tells me that price wants to push into these lows. So let's see if we can get something. Okay, either way, there's nothing I could have done there. Now let's see if price wants to reverse here. Come to this 4 hour. Which is what I'm expecting to happen. If this 15-minute here, I want this to be broken. Whoa, swing those moves. Okay, 15-minute broken. Boom. Beautiful trade right here. This is an A plus trade, or not A plus, but I'll say this is an A plus trade. If the bias was on our side, this would have been an A plus. But okay, let's see if we can find an entry. Notice the only reason I zoom into the 1 minute is to find an entry, not for bias, not for predicting, not nothing. Okay, perfect trade right here. I'm gonna take this, fill in this 15 or this 5 minute, and then boom, beautiful trade right here. Reaching into, I low-key could hold all the way up to there, but let's just see. Screw it, I guess I'll do it. I'm gonna take most out right here. Percent. Okay, I'm gonna move. Stop to break even. Boom. Like 75% right there. Boom. Alright. So that trade was a good trade. Beautiful trade, because we swept this sell side, had all this liquidity up here. I think it's still gonna touch into the 4 hour. Yep, the 4 hour gap right there. I think that's a very good trade. Boom. I think my problem is that I'm focusing on like the bias and not the liquidity as much. Like I'm focusing on the bias too much and not the draw. And then before I used to focus on the draw and not the bias, and I just need to combine it together and find the equal balance to both. So I think that was my problem. Alright, let's go to next day open. So 4 hour, we broke this 4 hour. So now I'm expecting price to just be bullish on the higher time frame. Doesn't mean I can't take shorts, but my bias is very bullish. Okay, we're bullish on the 1 hour, bullish on pretty much all time frames. Let's see if I can find a trade. Where's liquidity? I don't see anything right now, so I'm not even gonna force any trades. Okay, oh okay, I didn't even see this. So we do have all this liquidity right here. Plus we're bullish. This is a very strong draw. We just broke this. bad trade. Is there a 10-minute on this? Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. Now that I see this 10-minute, see that we filled in this gap. This is not a bad trade. I just don't like how price is moving like this. And I don't like how there's nothing we're delivering really off of other than this 10-minute, but I mean, I don't know, it's just like, I guess this isn't a bad trade. So I'm gonna take 50. Just the draw is just so strong, that's like, it's very, there's 50%. See, horrible price action. Even though we still got it, I mean, this is just horrible. Alright, let's go back out. Yo, the 10-minute is clutch. I wish. What is it on here? Alright, there you go. No, 45-minute, I don't need. Alright. Yeah. That was a good trade. We were bullish. Equal highs, very strong draw. We had a bunch of them there. And yep, just found a good entry there. Right, let's go back. So looks like we're about to break this 1 hour. You know, we already broke this 4 hours, so I don't need the 1 hour to break to tell me that I'm bullish. Fit this in perfectly. Yeah, I don't see anything right now, so let's see what we got. Okay, we broke this 5-minute. I don't know if this trade is, like, I don't like this trade only because we're so high in premium and we haven't really retraced down. We're just kind of pushing up, and if I were to take this trade, I would just be kind of taking a trade very high up here. Plus we swept this. Yeah, nah, I don't like this trade. Whether it worked or not, I don't really care. It's just not a good trade I would have taken. Plus horrible price action. Like the way the 1 minute's moving is just so bad. Yeah, nah. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the PM session. Let's see. So yeah, we continued pushing up higher. This 1 hour officially broke. My draw is now up here. This is a big wick, so this is a strong draw. So yeah, my higher time frame draw is right there. This is the draw right there. I do want to see retracement, like at least to here, sweeping all these low resistance before I push up, but I doubt that will happen. Let's just see. Oh, okay. We have a bunch of low resistance right here that I do expect to be the draw eventually. And let's see if that's what's happening. Okay, I didn't even see this. Alright. So we swept all these. There's no gap really that we're in. So let's see if price just wants to. Okay, boom. It's kind of what I wanted to see. We entered into this 1 hour. I wouldn't really take any shorts here, just because we're so bullish, and I mean, I guess this displacement isn't bad. Like this displacement here kind of tells us that we want to take out all this low resistance. But yeah, that's on the 5 minutes. Boom. Yeah, there wasn't anything. This short wouldn't have been bad. Alright, anyways, that's not like a trade that I really would look for. Okay, the 1 hour filled in here. Let's see if we get. Well, it's 3:15. I wouldn't even trade this, but let's just see if. Alright, seems like price just wanted to fill in all this. Next day open, boom. Tuesday, June 29th. Or 24th. I mean, June 4th. Yeah. Alright. Let's see. So 4 hour. We are still. We're like. I don't even know, honestly. I would say we're still bullish. Yes, I say we still want to reach for these highs. Broke this 1 hour, so I'm expecting this to be the draw before we start going higher. Plus we're on a sell model on the 1 hour. Yeah, I do like shorts here until this gets swept. This is a good form of liquidity because of this wick. Let's see if we can enter into like this right here and find a short here. Catch a retracement. This would be a nice short if it comes up in here. Okay, this 5 minute broke. I don't want to take a long here. I want to only look for shorts. Okay, this 5 minutes still holding. Okay, now this 5 minute broke. What does this tell me? Probably that we want to go lower. Ideally, we would come up into this gap, but that just didn't happen. Price seems like it just wants to go lower now, and let's see if we can find a short. Okay, so price is pushing higher. I don't see any setups right now. We don't want to take anything here. Alright, boom. Now this is where. What was that, a 3? Alright, this is where I would want to look for shorts. $15-minute broke, 30 minutes still holding. I'm still expecting lower. If this 1 hour breaks, then my bias will be flipped. What time is it? 45. Okay, this 1 hour did break. My bias is not necessarily flipped, but it's way lower probability of these shorts. Could be coming up into here, but higher time frame. This is when higher time frame is in use. So let's see. What's taking this longer? Yeah, we could literally just push up. I mean, we did break this. Could just be retracing to equilibrium. Bro, why is there no, like... Didn't even touch equilibrium yet, but let's just see. If I don't know the bias, then there's no reason for me to force any trades. Okay. Do want to take a long here though, just because it's kind of obvious that we want to go higher, at least to these, and then yeah, this is definitely not a bad. Yeah, we filled in this. I mean, this wouldn't be a bad one if we get something. Nothing. Yeah, I didn't really see anything there, but time is it? 12:54. Alright, it's not even. It's PM session, even though I'm not even ever really gonna trade PM session. Okay. So it looks like we came up and filled this right here. Honestly, didn't even see that till now. But we could be wanting to go lower. Let's see. Let's see if price gets the displacement lower and tells us that bearish. It's a bunch of odd action right here. Something that I would never want to trade right here. Yeah, horrible action. Horrible. Never ever want to take any of these. Look at this. What is that? Alright, next day. Am I tripping? Okay. Price never ended up sweeping this low. Came up higher. We have this 4-hour gap right here. And yeah, I'm expecting price to be bullish. Bullish on the 4-hour, bullish on the 1-hour. Broke this, we just swept this high. And 15 minutes, bullish. Got all these equal highs up here. Yeah. Just want to see what happens here. film this 15 minute. This actually does not seem like a bad. I'm gonna take this 5-minute long. Not really any liquidity to reach for, but I just know that price is bullish, and the main reason I'm taking this is because there's no reason for price to really go lower. Like, we filled in all these imbalances. Just filling this 15 minute just now. I expect it to reach this high. There's no reason for 1-to-1. 70%. This isn't a 1% type of trade. Yeah, definitely take off. It's not to break even. Yeah. Not a horrible trade. Only thing is there wasn't really liquidity to be reached for. And yeah, so price just looks like it's going to the moon right now. Again, retrace back into here. I was 12:30. I don't want to take this, but I mean, yeah, you see the pattern. It just keeps retracing, pushing up. Boom. Go next to the open. Still, is it June 6th? That would be July by now. But, we are now at all-time highs. So very bullish on the 4-hour. Very bullish on the 1-hour. 15 minute, we have these equal highs. This should be a strong draw. Yeah. As of right now, I don't see anything. Just with these lows. Okay, we broke this. See if this 15 minute breaks. No. Broke the 10 minute, broke the 5 minute, 15 minutes still not broken. Let's see how this gap gets treated. Okay, this is a good long read that I do want to take. Stop loss be low there. Actually go up here. I don't like that the 15 minutes still holding. I want the 15 minutes a break. Yeah, price is moving. I'm gonna stop to break even because I don't like how prices. Yeah, I don't like that. We're creating all this liquidity down here. Could just be run through at any moment, even as price just. Yeah, I mean, like, nah, I don't wanna hold a trade in this situation at all. Very horrible. I don't want to do that. Even though it's 15-minute, probably broke now. Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. We probably have news during PM or something. Generating all this so down here. Yep, price is eventually just gonna go down and just boom. Just looks like it's doing that right now. But yeah, don't want to take this. Alright, that's fine. A bunch of generated liquidity right here. Let's see, let's go to PM session. Alright, boom, yeah, we came down, swept all this generated liquidity. We are pushing up still all-time highs. This 1 hour right here. Yeah, whenever we're up here, it means nothing. Like, we just want to kind of stay on the lower time frame. There's nothing to look at on the higher time frame. So we broke this 15-minute. Or this 10-minute. Is there 15-minute? Yeah, we came down, swept all this. I do want to see this low get taken. I don't want to take any long. I don't want to take any shorts when we're all the way up here, unless price signifies it wants to go lower. So this wouldn't have. Okay. Yeah, so that happened. Okay, 5-minute broke. We'll go on the 1 minute. Let's see. I want this 10 minutes to hold. Okay. Looks like beautiful trade right here. 10 out of 10 would take this, even if I lose, I don't care. This is beautiful trade. Get these highs. I'm gonna go for these. It's fine. I don't care. It's a good trade. It is a good trade for sure. Broke the 10-minute. Swept this sell side. Very bullish. I mean, there's no reason I shouldn't take that trade. No reason at all. This is why I don't like PM though, because it doesn't always deliver the best probabilities. Okay. Yeah, let's go to stick to. I'm just gonna stick to AM. I don't even want to switch to PM session because do like 2 more days. This is a Friday. Let's go to 4 hour. Okay, now we're in this 4-hour gap right now, and yeah. See this? I want to see this 15-minute break. Okay, we just filled in this. I didn't even see this. I would have. This is always a strong draw right here. Let's see if this gets respected. Dang, what the? Yo, oh, it's 12:32. Alright, I'm gonna go to the next day open. There's a strong draw right here. There's a wick like that, it's a strong draw liquidity for sure. Right. So you're bearish on the 1 hour. Let's see if we can come back into here. And then I like this draw, so I definitely want to go for this. Let's see if we can catch a retracement or something. Okay, we filled in this 15-minute. Let's see if we get a 5-minute break of this gap right here. Okay, keep going up. That was cool. It's now 10 a.m. This 1 hour is exactly where I want it to be. I'm still expecting lower prices, but we could also come up into here and fill in this. So let's see. Let's see what price tells us. Okay, yeah, this is just. Okay, we also created another. There's no entries I could really catch there anyways. Let's see if we can get. Yeah, nothing. Oh, I guess. Oh no, it didn't. I'm sure. Okay, so we still have something. Can still expect lower. Just. Yeah, I want to take this for sure. Equal those here, and then yeah, it's for sure a good trade. And then we have this loses. I mean, it's still good. Still a good trade. Horrible action. Oh my. Like, what is this? Yo, horrible. Okay, I'm still very bearish though. That is just insane. this broke, yeah, that was a good trade. For sure, a good trade. I'm not even mad that I took that. Okay, price just doesn't want to go down there. I mean, it probably was an SMT there. Nope, not even. Alright, I don't know why that didn't hit. Interesting. And very interesting. Okay, because it wanted to come back into here, I'm assuming. Let's see if... Yeah, okay. I anticipated this earlier. Yeah, I don't know. That was a good trade, though. I need to, like... Why didn't that work? I need to know if it's something I should keep taking or what, because I thought that was like an A+ trade, bro. This 5-minute broke, we filled in this. I mean, like, we had these lows, price was bearish. This was like a insanely good trade, in my opinion. I don't know. I mean, I definitely, this 15-minute broke too. I mean, it's literally insane trade. Could enter here too. This is like for sure a good trade. Yeah, no, I'm not even mad I took that loss, bro, because that's like a equal those. Yeah, I definitely want to keep taking those every time. Not even mad I took that trade, bro. Alright, this is the last day. Broke this 1 hour. Expect this to be the draw. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Get a retracement here. Yep. Okay. Wait, why is it 7:45? Hold up. Okay, that's better. Okay, it seems like now we're wanting to reach for this. Let's see if this 15-minute holds. Oh my. Yeah, I'm expecting bullishness now. 5-minute broke. This would be a good trade right here. Equalize here too. That's a beautiful trade. What the? Oh, I should have taken here. Yeah, nah, that was crazy, bro. Obviously, my bias was right there, though. What? Yeah, if that was normal, I would have definitely taken profit there. I expect this 1 hour to break. Bro, that wasn't even. Alright, last day. Bullish at all time highs. You have these equal lows down here. All these lows. Even though we are at all time highs, so I kind of want to see price wants to go lower before. Dang. No, that's just crazy. Yeah, that definitely was. That's a strong draw right there. Definitely wanting to reach for that. We're in a sell model on the 10-minute and the 5-minute. And yeah. From this 1 hour. If price is bearish, I'm not like higher time frames for sure bullish, but there's equal lows down here. We're on a sell model on the lower time frame, so I do want to see something.